Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, English YouTube channel. I'm Vanessa Figueiredo and I marry a Filipino husband. Say hi, amore. We live in Brazil. Actually, we work in a cruise ship. We always work traveling, but since the pandemic started, more or less March of 2020, we stopped to work on board. So we are trying to survive here in Brazil, trying to live our life normal here. And I want to show you in this video our business here in Brazil. I know a lot of Filipinos out there are interested in our life and how we work in Brazil, how we do, with what we work. And today is a day that I'm gonna show you my business here, mine and my husband business here in Brazil. Actually, we already had this business 2 times. The first time we give up just to come back to the ship, and the second time it's like delivery is in the beginning of the pandemic because we don't have job, we don't have that much money to invest, so we just made a delivery of our product. Okay, our product, not more not less than yakisoba. I'll put a picture for you here. And this is yakisoba. It's like since 2014 when we had another trailer in the beginning of our life here in Brazil. Pode falar, amore. That it's our old trailer and we already had this product. Actually, it's Romarico. He's a Filipino, and you know, guys, that Filipino cook well and know how to cook. So he invented a kind of yakisoba, because the name here in Brazil is yakisoba, but there in the Philippines I will go more here because it's too noisy. So what I mean, here, look, this is the trailer. Our trailer before is smaller than this, and we have started with a yakisoba that in his country, in our country, Filipinos that are watching me, it's like kind of pancit canton. You for sure knows that yakisoba, it's like made of soba pasta and made like a Japanese food, right? And more or less I will show you later on how is our product in our next vlogs. So today is just to show more or less our business. Here in Brazil is really famous this kind of food trucks. What food trucks consist is the wheels, and then you have like a trailer, right? Or you know, the one that you can drive already in, and inside of it, it's your business of food. You can see that here. It's like a food of churros. It's kind of sweet here in Brazil. Here they don't have yet logo, but it's also a business of food, and this is a place in Brazil that get very trend to have a food truck. Okay, so our first food truck, it's in 2013 or 14, and it's also already like this, no? But now we improve a little bit of our trailer, look, and it's with 4 wheels and black. It's our logo already, it's black, so that's why we maintain the color. And it's basically this. We serve yakisoba inside of the trailer. We prepare inside of the trailer. Of course, this is only a parking lot, but we go to a place specific just to park there and start to cook for those who likes our product. This is basically our logo. Look, Ikois is the nickname of my husband, and yakisoba. Here is the stairs, that's why you can't see, but look the logo. You guys, you Filipino can recognize this logo that long time ago I did for you guys, for our business. It's the Filipino flag with the stars and the sun, right? With like a Chinese logo, icon, emoji, whatever you want to call here, like this. So this is basically the logo of Ikois Yakisoba, that is our business. Here up we just put the, you know, the Instagram if you want to follow Ikois Yakisoba, the number of WhatsApp if who wants to order, right? And here it's like many box. Let me show this side. Many box of yakisoba. It's like because we're gonna serve in the box. So this is the front of our business, and this is the window where we can serve the food and whatever. So here it's the last preparation, okay? We are about 2 days before we start to work really and put this trailer on the road. And look, this is the tables, also black. This is already the bag for the motoboy, if we're gonna have in the future, I don't know. And the garbage bin, and Romarico is just finished to clean the chapa. How we made this food that is very delicious. Many Brazilians love because it's kind of a dry fried noodles, okay? So here it's the gas. Look, the gas stays outside. And I'm trying to fix everything inside with him. We're finishing our work, and later when we finish, I'm gonna make a tour in our trailer for you to see everything. Guys, so now is the last step, and then I will show you how the trailer is inside. Here Romarico already have paint this one all white, and now we are changing the floor. Actually the floor is like this, but we bought a new one to put here and to be a little bit more, you know, new, look like new, because this trailer before is from another person, but that's why we change a little bit here. This fridge is also second-hand. Of course, we bought some things that second-hand and is cheaper for us that we are starting now. And I will show you soon how is the trailer inside. Hello guys, so here today we are already preparing the things. Everything is ready for we go to the trailer, to the food truck, and start our operation. Okay, we of course gonna go more earlier for us can have a time to prepare everything. Later I show you more. Guys, let's go to work. First day. First day. And we're gonna start today, and I show you inside how is our business. You can see that we are carrying there in the back, you see? Look, the trailer. This is my food truck and my husband, look. This is the side. I promise you that I'm gonna show you how it is. Look, this is our business here in Brazil. Our family is there. So we stopped it in the street. This is WhatsApp, our yakisoba on Instagram. This is our logo, as I showed you before. And here is the street where we park it, just for, you know, people came and go. Our customers is there. For now we have only 2 tables because we can't make too much. So eu. Look, we have QR code for the person see the menu. Now my husband, More, say hi. Say hi. Say in Tagalog for them. Mabuti. So guys, this is our workplace, our business here in Brazil. For you who ask me what we do here in Brazil when we are not in the ship, you know guys that we work in the ship. My husband is a bartender in the ship and me assistant bartender. And now we are working with yakisoba. Romarico make this yakisoba here he make this in, we call here in Brazil chapa. So it's how he prepare, is look like a fried noodles. Now let me show you how is the product. Look, this is our product. Of course, we don't serve here. We serve in the box. I'll show you our box where we serve. Look, this is our box where we put our yakisoba. Guys, so as I told you, and this is our trailer. It's how we are working here in Brazil after the pandemic that we had to stop to work in a cruise ship. And we already had this business before, like 2014, as I told you before, but we start back, and I hope that's the first day only. We already sold a lot because the people here really love our food. And tomorrow and after tomorrow and the entire week we're gonna open again. And this, I hope you like it. Just thumbs up for my video. Subscribe here down below for you watch more about my routine and my husband, that's a Filipino, living in Brazil for 9 years. Okay, here say goodbye to you now. Yeah. More. Goodbye to them.
Bye.
Telling Tagalog to subscribe, please.
Subscribe please. Thank you so
In
much.
Tagalog.
Salamat po.
He's tired. Bye!